Okay, hello. So I'm going to take you through kind of real quick what I'm doing to get my meals ready for the week. I wanted to do a better video, clean up the kitchen and step by step. I don't have time for that. You don't either to listen to that. So this week, Tabitha has designed a different menu. And so the days I work out and lift really heavy, those will be a little bit different ratios, and then I'll have a lighter day. So pretty much you're eating the same thing, just tweaking it a little bit. So right now I'm in the middle of doing some of the ground beef. I've got sweet potatoes on, or it's either ground, actually it's venison, sorry, scratch that, venison. So ground venison, she's got a chipotle butternut chili, basically is what I'm making there. And so I've got the butternut squash in the oven. I've got sweet potatoes are gonna go with the lunch and mahi and just some green beans. The green beans are nice and easy, you just scoop them out. Evening snack are carrots. So yeah, the breakfast I'm a little worried about. It's going to be just egg whites, like anywhere from 3/4 of a cup to a cup of egg whites, and a pomegranate oatmeal snack cup. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna do plain egg whites, so we'll see. Usually I do better when I mix them in either with like oatmeal or cream of rice or something else. But I gotta pause this because I have got to get the oil drained, so I'll be right back. Okay, while I'm browning the turkey, I've already separated out the, can you see it? This is like a venison chili butternut squash thingamabob. Right now I am making Owen his avocado. If it's not quite ripe, you can wrap it in foil, put it in the toaster oven, and it ripens it up. Here I've got the ground turkey that I'm going to do next. So pretty much I'm scratching the high and low day. That's just too confusing. I just basically need to come in the kitchen and cook. You gonna say hi?
Hi.
Hmm?